In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a balance sheet report in QuickBooks Online. Running a balance sheet report is crucial for understanding the financial position of your business at a specific point in time. This report will show you what your company owns, what it owes, and the equity held by its shareholders. So let's dive in and look at how you can generate this important financial document in QuickBooks Online. First, you'll want to start by signing into your QuickBooks Online account. If you already have it bookmarked, great. Otherwise, you can simply type the URL into your browser. Once you're on the login page, you'll see the sign in button, which is typically located on the top right of the web page. Click on it to proceed to the next step. After clicking the sign in button, you'll be prompted to choose the product you are using. Here, you'll want to select QuickBooks Online from the list of options. This is an important step because QuickBooks offers different versions, and choosing the right one ensures that you're accessing the correct tools and features for your needs. Next, you'll enter your credentials. This includes your username and password that you set up when you created your QuickBooks account. Make sure you enter these details carefully, as any errors might prevent you from logging in. Once you've entered your credentials, go ahead and click on the Continue button, which will take you into your QuickBooks account dashboard. Now that you're logged in, you'll be at the QuickBooks dashboard. From here, you'll want to locate the Reports tab, which is usually found in the left-hand menu. Clicking on this tab will open up a wide array of reports that QuickBooks can generate for you. It's a powerful feature that provides valuable insights into various aspects of your business. In the Reports tab, you'll see a search bar at the top. Here, type in Balance Sheet. This will quickly filter out the long list of reports, showing only those related to the balance sheet, making it easier for you to find exactly what you need. Once you've typed in Balance Sheet, you should see the option appear on your screen. Click on the Balance Sheet to open the configuration options for this report. You'll now be able to view and customize the balance sheet report according to your business requirements, such as selecting a specific date range or choosing cash or accrual basis accounting. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've learned how to run a balance sheet report in QuickBooks Online. It's a straightforward process, but an incredibly useful one for gaining insights into your business's financial health. Don't forget to review your balance sheet regularly, as it helps inform better business decisions and strategic planning. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you manage your financial reports with ease.